Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the recipe of Bulgur Pilaf with tomatoes and vegetables. It's also known as Tavern Pilaf in Turkey. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. I take about 3 tablespoons of oil in my pot. I add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine on it. I add 1 chopped onion. I roast it a little bit. Then I chop 1 large red cayenne pepper and add it. I chopped 4 medium-sized green peppers. I add that too. I continue to roast a little bit more. I peeled 3-4 medium-sized tomatoes and cut them into cubes. I added that too and I continue to roast. Now, let's add a dessertspoon of pepper paste and a dessertspoon of tomato paste. Let's continue roasting. I washed 1.5 cups of coarse bulgur and drained it. Let's add it on. I'm adding enough salt. I roast it a little more like this. Now we are gonna add 3 cups of hot water on it. But if you want it to be less cooked, you can add 2.5 cups of water. Now I close the lid of the pot. I cook my pilaf over low heat until it absorbs the water. As you can see, the pilaf has absorbed the water. Let's close the lid again and let the pilaf rest for about 10-15 minutes. Then we are gonna mix it and it's ready to be served. I hope you guys will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.